First, take out the fuselage and lay it down to an even surface. Align the ends of the joint. Meanwhile, press the bottle towards the direction of the head side of the fuselage till the joint is completely tightened. Take out a tail fan, aim the junction at the top of the tail, then turn the knob clockwise to tighten it completely. Now, take out a carbon stick and put it inside the fuselage. Make sure the both ends export are equal length. Then, take out the wings and the veto arms. Pay attention to the left and right marks of the parts and install them correctly. As the video shows, turn the knob clockwise to tighten cantilevers and the wings completely. To put the wings on, we need two operators. One hand to hold the veto arm, another hand to aim the hole where the carbon stick will be sticked in, and push the wings to the fuselage until it is locked. After assembling, place the aircraft on the ground. Whenever you want to move the aircraft, at least two operators needed. One person should be hold head of the aircraft, and another should hold the tail. Then keep moving steadily the aircraft until it stays still on the ground. After the confirmation of the takeoff location, open the side cover near the front of the fuselage. Flip the power switch button on. So after the initialization music starts and finishes completely, put the cover back and tighten the bolt of the cover. Now it is done.